Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
Cut power at the breaker and verify the circuit is dead with a tester. Remove the old bulb and inspect the socket for corrosion or damage. Confirm the Energizer bulb specs as E26, 120V, 9W, 800 lumens, and 3.5 inches long before proceeding. Layout tools: insulated screwdriver, needle nose pliers, wire nuts, 14 AWG wire, and electrical tape. Wear insulated gloves and safety glasses to protect hands and eyes. Keep a clear workspace and a small container for screws and parts. If replacing a screw-in bulb, align the E26 base and screw until snug by hand. For hardwired fixtures, strip 3/4 inch of insulation from each conductor using wire strippers. Use 14 AWG wire for typical 120V household circuits and match conductors correctly. Connect black, hot to black and white, neutral to white using properly sized wire nuts. Attach the bare or green ground to the fixture ground screw and tighten securely. Fold wires neatly into the box and reattach the fixture housing or cover plate. Restore power at the breaker and switch the light on to test the connection immediately. Use a multimeter set to AC volts to verify approximately 120V at the socket before making further adjustments. Observe the bulb for stable illumination and no flicker or buzzing during the first minute. Gently touch the fixture after 10 minutes to ensure it is not overheating. Do not use bare fingers on hot bulbs. If you detect smoke, smell, or unusual heat, shut off power and recheck connections. Recycle the old bulb responsibly according to local guidelines.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.